everyone, so today I'm going to share with you guys a few free tools that you can do. SEO, search engine optimization, can help you boost your content. So stick around and I'm going to come back with all that for you. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell sign so you get notified every time it has a new video. So let's go jump in the topics right now and provide you all the tools. SEO is a very stressful thing, and even if you hire somebody else to do it, I truly believe that you have to have some sort of idea to check it out if the work you hire, the person you hire, have done a good job or not. So the number one is the Google Page Insights. The Google Page Insights is really good thing. It's going to give you the idea of what you should be doing, what things you pass. You don't have to worry about it and ignore. Just focus on the things you should be working on it. And they give you also the guide how to fix those things. So it's a good way, it's a good opportunity to learn SEO. Now, the second tool is Moz. I think Moz is a very good tool. It can give you a very vast, deep list of scores of all your social media, all the resources you have out there, stores, Yelp, Yahoo, Facebook, Google, all the resources. Is going to kind of give you an idea how to be consistent. In some cases, what happens is a lot of things there are off from one place to another. So this Moz score list is going to give you the opportunity to kind of navigate deep and understand how can you do things better and kind of like be consistent with all your platforms. Google Analytics is really good. You should invest time in Google Analytics anytime. Google Analytics is going to help you to see, it's kind of like a data pool, data and insights of all your traffic on your website. I think also you can do Google Analytics for social media. I just don't know how to do that yet. I'm kind of paying, my next goal is to actually pay for a full course in Google Analytics because I really want to invest time on that. But I think I encourage you as well to, if you don't understand Google Analytics, get a Udemy course, Udemy course, I don't know how to call it, school. I'll leave a link below of the resources if you really want to know how to get a deep understanding hands-on it on Google Analytics. Also, another tool that I want to recommend it to you guys is the keyword.io and the keyword tool. Keyword.io, this tool is just amazing. It's going to give you tons of keywords, more than hundreds of keywords, and it's going to give you some alphabetic order, and you can take the top ideas from there. Now, I encourage you to explore all these tools that I'm providing here for you because it's going to give you an opportunity to understand how SEO works, and you can put your task yourself and see if actually improves your traffic, improves your views, improves your all your content. Just don't forget these tools actually can help you out and you can apply that yourself. Google Keyword Planner is a very good way for you to research all those keywords of a certain topic that you're planning to create, a blog or a video or a post. And you can have the keywords first and then invest time creating content under those keywords you have chosen. Because what happens is you're not only going to do backwards the work, because it happened to me as well. I have done a lot of work in my life when I start up in this, that I start actually shooting the videos, shooting everything, talking about everything, but I never worked on the keywords before. So it's important to use the keywords as well. Now, Google Trends. Google Trends is really cool. You can see what the things that are trending right now. It's like a search, quick browser, a quick way to research for things and the potential terms that, in SEO that it can give you a good opportunities to create content. Now, another tool that I think is really cool is the Quick Sprout Website Analyzer. It can give you a full analysis of your website to search engine optimization, to the keywords, links, competitors, the social, the tags. It's gonna give you a vast picture of you need to know about your website, your content, your platforms. So I think you should not ignore this tool. I think this tool is actually a really good way to analyze your website. And don't forget Quick Sprout Website Analyzer. SimilarWeb, you view your stats for any domain. So you just put your domain there, and it's gonna give you all the bars, the things that you should increase, the things you should work on it, what's going on with your account, traffic, resources. I think it's a very good tool that you should invest time as well to work on it. Sometimes we do things in a website that we don't even know what we are doing. And this tool, Brow SEO, is gonna Brow SEO altogether. It's BROW SEO. It's gonna give you an opportunity for you to check the website the way search engine is looking. So if you go on there, do a Google search, do a Google search. My mind's going crazy all these tools. If you go there and put your website, you're gonna take a deeper look from the back end, like how they're looking, and you're gonna see the things that you're doing that you don't even think you should be doing or not. So give it a try, check this out, and I think it will help you out in a deep way. Next tool I want to share with you guys is the SEO checkup. The SEO site checkup is really cool tool because it's going to give you a fast audit site, like a checkup on the website to see what the things you should be fixing, the score, what the things have been passed, and the things you should improve your score. It's really cool tool. I think you should check, especially if you have hired somebody to do SEO on Fiverr.com, then that person might not be using this tool. You can check it out, put the website there, and see how it works. Find broken links. A lot of people put links and they don't know if it's broken or not, and the broken links is really important. Find broken links is going to help you to know which broken links are on your website. They highlight them, they give you insight, and it will tell the things you need to fix it. The search metrics website analyzer, it will give you the opportunity to see how your search engine is performing. The performance dashboard for search and social ranking is going to give you like kind of like the keyword of what's going on your website, and it give you the top terms, the website ranks. It's interesting. It's all about this data thing, and I don't want to discourage you because it's so frustrating SEO at times, but I think this is going to help you out to just getting a little bit of knowledge of everything, of every action you can do in SEO, knowing about how SEO, search engine optimization, work. The Moz toolbar, just like I said before, the Moz toolbar is just go ahead and you put, it's a little bit of the SEO insights, pretty much like the tool before that I shared with you guys. And the search results on the page is particular on the website. So it can give you a little bit of a bar detail of the things what's going on in the back end. So the Moz toolbar is another tool that you can use. The Microsoft Free SEO Toolkit, I don't use Microsoft. Now, if you're the one using Microsoft, I think that's the one that you can invest time to it. So go ahead and Microsoft Free SEO Toolkit and give yourself a chance to explore this tool for your SEO research. So this is the video for you. I hope this videos help you guys to navigate into SEO with no trauma. I know SEO can be really daunting. But Neil Patel was a young guy who actually became very expert in SEO, and look where he is now. He's on his own business, which is amazing, and he's a big man, out there sharing all the expertise in the world. So I think he's a truly inspiration, and I think you should actually feel inspired by his actions and SEO is not such a monster after all. But these tools is going to give you the idea for you to actually explore, have an idea if you're really going to enjoy doing so or not. And learning, it's never ending. It's always something that we need to keep a focus on. Learning always something new. So I hope this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe. Comment here what is your favorite SEO tool. I really appreciate that. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye.